Welcome to the ultimate guide to home garden design trends for 2025. Whether you're transforming your backyard, front yard, or creating a stunning garden wall, this year's trends focus on modern aesthetics, sustainability, and smart innovations that will take your outdoor space to the next level. From lush green landscapes to minimalist designs, we're covering it all. Stay tuned as we explore the hottest trends that will redefine home gardens this year. 1. The rise of smart gardening, tech meets nature. Technology is making gardening smarter and easier than ever. In 2025, we're seeing a huge rise in AI-powered gardening systems that automate watering, monitor soil health, and even detect plant diseases. Smart irrigation systems ensure your plants receive just the right amount of water, reducing waste, and making gardening hassle-free. Solar-powered garden lights and automated planters are also trending, giving your outdoor space a futuristic yet natural touch. 2. Minimalist and Zen-inspired gardens. Simplicity is the new luxury. Minimalist gardens are all about clean lines, neutral tones, and carefully placed greenery. Think smooth stone pathways, neatly trimmed hedges, and a blend of concrete and wood textures. Zen-inspired gardens are also making waves, featuring serene rock formations, small koi ponds, and Japanese maple trees, perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere. 3. Vertical gardens, the ultimate space-saving trend. Running out of space no problem. Vertical gardens are a game-changer for small homes, balconies, and urban spaces. These lush, green walls are not only visually stunning but also improve air quality and help insulate your home. In 2025, expect to see modular vertical gardens with built-in irrigation systems, making maintenance easier than ever. Whether it's succulents, ferns, or edible herbs, a vertical garden is a must-have feature this year. 4. Sustainable and eco-friendly landscaping. Sustainability is a major focus in 2025. More homeowners are ditching chemical fertilizers and opting for organic, eco-friendly alternatives. Rainwater harvesting systems, drought-resistant plants, and composting stations are becoming essential features in gardens. Native plants that require less water and attract pollinators are replacing exotic, high-maintenance varieties. This not only supports local biodiversity but also reduces water consumption. 5. Outdoor living spaces, extending comfort beyond walls. Gardens are no longer just for plants. Outdoor living areas with stylish furniture, fire pits, and open-air kitchens are transforming backyards into year-round relaxation zones. Pergolas with retractable roofs, comfy lounge areas, and string lighting are defining backyard luxury in 2025. Expect to see more eco-conscious furniture made from recycled wood and sustainable materials, blending comfort with nature. 6. Edible gardens, homegrown goodness. Why just admire your garden when you can eat from it too? The trend of edible landscaping is taking off, with homeowners growing their own vegetables, fruits, and herbs in stylish, organized layouts. Raised garden beds, hydroponic systems, and decorative fruit trees are becoming more popular as people prioritize health and self-sufficiency. Whether it's strawberries hanging from a trellis or fresh herbs by the patio, edible gardens are a deliciously stylish addition. 7. Water features, bringing tranquility to your garden. A touch of water can instantly elevate your garden's aesthetic. Modern fountains, cascading waterfalls, and natural ponds are making a huge comeback. In 2025, solar-powered water features are gaining popularity, making them energy-efficient and eco-friendly. Imagine the sound of gentle water flowing as you sip your morning coffee in a peaceful, green oasis. 8. Natural stone and gravel pathways. Forget traditional concrete walkways. Natural stone, pebbles, and gravel paths are dominating garden designs this year. These elements create a more organic and earthy feel, blending perfectly with the greenery. Irregular stone slabs surrounded by moss or grass add a timeless charm, while gravel walkways are budget-friendly and easy to maintain. 9 statement garden walls, more than just a divider. A simple wall can be turned into an artistic masterpiece. In 2025, living walls covered in greenery, decorative wood paneling, and geometric metal screens are setting new trends. Some homeowners are even integrating LED lighting into their garden walls, creating a striking look at night. Whether it's a front yard entrance wall or a backyard privacy screen, statement garden walls are a bold, stylish upgrade. 10 wildlife-friendly gardens, creating a natural haven. Gardens are becoming more wildlife-friendly, with people focusing on designs that attract butterflies, birds, and bees. Small bird baths, flowering plants, and bee hotels are being added to backyards to support local ecosystems. Instead of a plain lawn, wildflower meadows are replacing grass to create a natural, pollinator-friendly paradise. There you have it, the hottest home garden design trends of 2025. From smart gardens to sustainable landscaping, vertical gardens, and luxurious outdoor spaces, this year is all about blending nature with modern functionality. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a compact front yard, these ideas will help you create a stunning and stylish garden that stands out. Which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.